The ultimate goal of B2B organizations is to maximize their use of advanced technologies in their marketing efforts to improve the results while making a lasting impression on the audience. Business IP address helps marketers to track visitors' data and take necessary actions to improve the results. However, one technology that is very helpful to the business development and sales teams, which is used for B2B sales prospecting, is the reverse IP lookup. What is reverse IP lookup? A reverse IP lookup is a method used by organizations to identify hosts with DNS records that are associated with a particular IP address. A reverse IP lookup not only helps in finding hosts with a single IP address but also can be used to find hosts across various public addresses. While IP tracking refers to using tools to gather and monitor IP addresses for improved metrics, reverse IP lookup goes one step further. It refers to the process of querying the domain name system, DNS, associated with the IP or find who owns it. This process is also known as reverse DNS lookup. Businesses can gain access to top-level domain data by conducting reverse IP lookup. This information offers them the name of the business hosting that IP and additional details such as the address and contact number of those who registered the IP address in some cases. How reverse IP lookup is helpful for B2B marketers. The following are few ways how data provided by reverse IP lookup can help B2B marketers. Improved content creation. Gaining the domain names of your website visitors provides you with insights into industries that are visiting your site regularly. Tools like Google Analytics and lengthy forensics categorize domain names with relevant industries and help the content team understand what content needs to be created, in what format and what language can be used to grab the visitor's attention. Reverse IP lookup helps companies to maintain consistency in content delivering strategy. Monitoring the industry visiting your website enables you to understand content trends and identify the required strategies to boost content creation. Advanced lead nurture. Lead nurtures are vital for organizations, and reverse IP lookup provides the best solutions. Leads can be nurtured with insightful communication and relevant content surrounding your business and what your organization offers. This system assigns a score to each lead based on their behavior and the data provided to them. Their score increases as the leads continue to interact with your brand. Better ROI. Every business wants a return on their investment, and ROI is paramount in marketing for strategy execution and target planning. A reverse IP lookup provides an advantage of multi-touch attribution. By cross-checking on the visitors of your website enables you with information of what they have viewed on your website, what factors may lead them to your website and if they have turned into clients. It is important to understand what factors are leading to boost brand engagement and lead nurture. Businesses need to ensure they invest in multi-channel strategies for a better ROI. Increased lead generation. The ultimate goal of any marketing process is always lead generation. Reverse IP lookup is beneficial for businesses in providing new opportunities for the sales team to grow business and increase revenue in the form of advanced lead generation. Using tools like lead forensic helps businesses discover names and addresses of website visitors in real time. Breakdown of every website journey including duration and pages visited. Contact details including email addresses for key decision makers. Conclusion. There has been a considerable change in the way businesses build their database. With access to a huge repertoire of information online, now it is only a matter of identifying the right tools to be used to get your data. Irrespective of the type of business that you have, having an understanding of how reverse IP lookup can help you target the right customer base. Tools like O-Tracker by Onpassive make it very easy for any entrepreneur to delve into these details and build a thriving business. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.